people, it's your boy Manzur Islam. Today we are back with another vlog, and today's vlog is a cooking vlog, more of like I'm gonna make dessert gulab jamun. So here's my everything is ready, like, I'm just gonna make it. I'm gonna show you the entire process. All the items are over here, and it's not my recipe, but I've looked through a lot of videos and I was craving for a long time gulab jamun. बहुत दिनों में खाया नहीं because lockdown है, तो कहीं बाहर जा भी नहीं पा रहा और कुछ खा भी नहीं पा रहे बाहर से, तो इसलिए I thought why not I make it. So मैं आपको पूरा procedure दिखाऊंगा. So stay tuned for it. I hope I don't mess it up, otherwise video तो उल्टा हो जाएगा. But anyways, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and let's see how the gulab jamun goes. So first we're gonna start with suji. English पे पता नहीं क्या बोलते, but this is suji. Bengali people will know, or Pakistani also will know. We are gonna start prepping for the sugar syrup, and update for this thing also. यहाँ पे ये डन हो गया जी. मैं आपको इधर लिख दूंगा ऊपर कैसे कैसे क्या किया मैंने. बेसिकली इसमें सूजी वाटर पहला मिक्स किया दूसरा बॉल पे, फिर 5 मिनट वेट किया, फिर इसमें पाउडर शुगर है, घी है, बेकिंग पाउडर है, मैदा है, फिर उसको फिर वो जो सूजी बचा हुआ था वो उस पर डाल दिया और फिर मिक्स किया थोड़ा मिल्क से, नॉर्मल मिल्क. And I'll give in the detail basically over here, then you guys won't be confused. Let it rest for 10 minutes, then we'll get back to it, and now we'll work on the sugar syrup, and I'll say what we used for the sugar syrup, so stay tuned. So now preheat the thing, medium heat per. Now my mom is helping me for making the dough because I really suck at it, so okay. So now you make as shape whichever you want, so we tried 2 shapes, and थोड़ा मसला हो गया कि as you can see the फटा हुआ kind of like, see you can see the thing because too much ज़्यादा baking powder हो गया, but it's fine, I think it's decent. See my mom has ये वाला part थोड़ा फट गया है, like too much baking powder.
Wait a minute.
So it's turning a bit golden brown, so after that you transfer it over here, and my mom is not at all happy. She's like, वीडियो बना के छोड़ दो, लोग क्या बोलेंगे. So I'm like, mom, it's good to be like, if you fail, it's my first time, so if you fail it's completely fine. फिर next time जब बनाएंगे तो we keep in mind कि baking powder कम देना चाहिए. तो ये ना, I was like, okay, baking powder थोड़ा ज़्यादा देंगे तो ज़्यादा मोटा होगा, but इतना ज़्यादा मोटा हो गया कि फूल गया. But at the end of the day, mom, it should taste good, size doesn't matter. Yeah mom. Okay, mom won't say anything, but yeah, she's upset with me. She's like, oh, लोग क्या बोलेंगे. So yeah, अम्मी को ज़्यादा society की बड़ी होती है. My mom is laughing. Okay. Now that we have transferred it to over here in the sugar syrup, turn off your heat and keep this for 1 hour and more, for if you want more tasty. But don't judge the sizes. बहुत ज़्यादा ही फूल गया, ज़्यादा baking powder हो गया. But it's fine. So just cover the lid and see you after 1 hour, and I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna tell you guys how does it taste. Of course it will taste amazing, that's for sure, but size का थोड़ा issue है, कोई मसला नहीं, happens. So yeah guys, so the moment of truth over here, as you can see, let me see how it is. To be honest review, I would say, except the size is the difference, like, and don't soak it too much, otherwise it will, like, break apart, as you can see this thing. But as taste wise, it's perfect, like it's literally perfect. कोई भी वो नहीं. बट हाँ, मेरे अम्मी ने थोड़ा चीनी कम दे दिया था उस पर जो शुगर सिरप है, बिकॉज आई लव रियली अ लॉट, लाइक स्वीट जब खाता हूँ आई रियली वॉन्ट इट टू बी स्वीट, बट ये इतना ज़्यादा स्वीट नहीं जितना मैं चाह रहा था. बट बाकी टू बी ऑनेस्ट इनसाइड भी इट्स ऑल गुड, कच्चा शच्चा नहीं लग रहा, देखो, लाइक इट्स प्रॉपर. एंड सो या, but don't do the mistake of putting baking powder too much, otherwise size will be messed up. But baki sab khair hai, and I think that's pretty much it for the vlog. Hopefully you guys like it, and in life this is a basically I would say seekhne ka, like you guys can learn from this experience. Moral of the story is, you will fail, but you don't have to give up. Like if you fail, it's completely fine. There is always a second chance, and you can fix that. Accept the failure and learn from that. So simple as that. I hope when I make the next time, it will be better. better than this, definitely. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the vlog. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you like cooking videos like this, but it was not the way I wanted it to be like perfect, but at times it you need to accept what it is what it is. So nevertheless, I'll catch you guys in the next vlog, inshallah, very soon. So take it easy, everyone. Peace.
I just wanna leave right now, could care less about rainbows. Tripping out of my mind, got me hallucinating your face. I want you creaming while you wanna play, just